Thanks for watching this project video. Every year the state comes around and cuts down a lot of trees alongside the road, so I always have small lumber like this 10, 12, 14 inch diameter straight logs that are always available. I also have some white oak that they cut this year, so this was the year for making slabs, so I'm excited to be able to make some small slabs to build different projects with. So if you like the video, please leave me a comment, thumbs up, let me know what you want to see me make out of some of these slabs that I've been cutting. I spent around $10 at the hardware store to do this project because I needed bolts. This log that I'm showing in the picture yielded two 2.5 inch slabs, and I have about 8 or 9 of these size logs around, so I should be able to make a bunch of slabs, which I'm really excited for. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe on the channel.